Unbelievable meat. We're in the honor of Guy. In the presence of Your Honor, Guy, what an unbelievable selection of meat. Also with Hiroyuki and Chef Yan.
If you ask where is the beef, what's the best beef? Right here.
What a selection. And thank you so much for your time. Tell us about what you have here, Guy.
Well, today we are looking at some Bushugu raised by the Hasegawa family in Saitama, Japan. This particular breed is raised just for us, exclusively for the butcher shop by Niku Steakhouse, as well as for use at the Niku Steakhouse as well. This family does produce beef for use other parts of the world, but this is ours and ours alone. I visit these farms, all the farms that we source here at the butcher shop. All of these farms produce exclusively for us. We hand select the animals. We discuss the properties of the land, the feed, everything that we do from beginning to end, not only with the farmers, but we bring that knowledge back and try to translate that properly into the guest experience, which is always the mouth. I am going to go a little bit into a few things here. This concept is about the beauty of the animal, and it's about the beauty of the farmer and the beauty of the land and the respect and the care that goes into it to get it to come here.
Yeah.
The intermuscular marbling in these animals is created through the feeding process. A lot of people think that Wagyu drink beer and get massaged. Well, that's a myth. But after 8 months, these animals receive a high energy diet, as they call it, high calorie diet the entire time, mostly comprising of rice straw, post-production mash from grain alcohol, sake, wine lees, any of those things. That's where the drinking of the alcohol comes in. Barley, wheat germ, and cracked corn. So they eat that their entire life. Some of the animals that I've hand selected a couple years back are still out in the farms in Japan, and they'll generally be harvested at about 3.5 to 5.5 years old, where our domestic USDA prime and even domestic Wagyu beef is harvested anywhere from 24 to 28 months. With some of the domestic farms are actually letting their animals grow a little bit longer to get some more of that intermuscular marbling. But the pure Japanese A5 Wagyu fat is concentrated in the animals genetically, taking the oleic acids within the animal's ability to process and produce complex fatty acids and sugars in their 4-compartment stomachs, and turn that actually into, with the oleic acids, turn that into omega-3s. So the good fat that we would associate with seafood, mostly being salmon. Not saying that it's eat 3,000 pounds of Japanese Wagyu and you're going to be a healthy person, but those fats are definitely a very beneficial fat. Of course, these animals each, like the terroir of the land, or when comparing it to wine, Kobe, for example, comes from Kobe, Japan. You cannot grow Kobe beef anywhere else on the planet except for Kobe, Japan. But Kobe is also Wagyu, the black Tajima line, where this is also one of the black cows here, or steer, in our A5 Hasegawa. So
That's amazing. And you're serving this next door at Niku, right?
we are serving that next door at Niku.
Okay, what do we ask for? Because we're going to go next door and try some of your
This is
meat.
the Bushugu.
Bushugu.
Samurai beef.
Samurai beef.
Samurai beef.
Samurai beef.
Much more umami, much more tender, much more. The fat is the animal fat is evenly distributed. The marble is perfect. So this is what we try tonight.
Okay. All right, Hiro, you excited?
Can I have this one?
Guy, look over there. Something moving over there, guy. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll have to join you on a trip one day.
Oh, you
right?
will one day.
Okay,
Yes,
that's great. And
There's
we'll go
many
back.
opportunities.
Okay.
And now with everything opening up, hopefully we'll get to travel together.
Sounds wonderful.
soon. I would love that. And you guys, I'm honored to have you both here. Oh my gosh, like royalty, both of you guys. Always. Thank you.
No, it's so good. I'm gonna have to buy some for my twin boys.
Okay.
So I'm gonna buy 2 pieces.
2 pieces.
Yeah,
Yes,
2
chef.
pieces. I want my twin boy to appreciate it.
Wow,
Chef.
nice, nice.
Got you. And I'll wrap it up all
I'll
real
wrap it
nice
up.
for you. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah, see?
Sounds great.
Man with good taste in beef. Where's the beef? The beef is right here. The best beef.
At the
Look at the
butcher shop.
marbling. Look at the marbling. You cannot even, like a painting, you cannot even paint it this beautiful.
Yeah, absolutely not. Can't get anywhere else but here.
Thank you. You guys want to cook some smash burgers with Chef Alvin? Yeah, you want to smash some burgers? You want to help him cook, Chef? You want to help him smash? John, come on back.
All right.
Tell us about the smash burger, Alvin.
So this is half and half Wagyu and domestic Wagyu. So there's, you know, the Wagyu always get a good flavor. And then of course Japanese and domestic Wagyu, nothing. No burger is better than that.
Right.
Yeah, right.
Nice.
So let me start the burger.
Okay.
And,
So what's the secret? The brioche bun, it looks really good.
it is. So we have a brioche bun. We have our own supplier, own
Okay.
burger to make the bun for us.
Okay.
And here is all the A5 Wagyu fat.
Okay.
We render it, so nothing going to waste. You know, we got extra flavor on our burger.
Okay.
So we toast it a little bit.
Oh, wow.
Toast like that.
That's the secret, huh? Look at that.
Yep, here's the secret. So I put the toast everything. Side. Just like that.
Okay.
Yeah, let me wait for that.
Hiro-san, you ready for some burgers?
Hey, so so there's the first one. So usually I will searching.
This is Wagyu.
Like it's all the A5 Wagyu fat.
Yeah, yeah. So good, huh?
I'll wait close this one.
What temperature do you recommend for the beef patties?
For the beef patty 120, just like the steak. Just like the steak. So we form the side like height. So yeah, just cook like a steak. Around 5 minutes on each side. So I put a little pressure around a couple of seconds on each side. So it come out should be really nice. Yep. So one side is done. So make sure both sides getting toast. And I got some patty. So it's a 7-ounce patty. So we cut the patty half. It's around a 3.5 ounces to each. So usually I will just put that. Get some. Put it here, and then if we don't mind, there's smash. So just smash down in the center, just smash down like that. And I will let me do the first one. So this all the way. All the way. So when around like that should be good. Alright, let me get to the setting for you guys.
Okay.
And you can smash. That's it. Alright. That's it.
Nothing good already, Hiro-san?
And you smash everything. Oh, perfect. So I will do seasoning
Okay.
on each patty, just a tiny little bit.
What's the seasoning, Chef?
So we have shallot, garlic, onion, shallot seed, pepper of course. So it's like punch up all the flavor on the wagyu, a little bit of seasoning. And so when you see the side edge is getting caramelized, so you can have time to flip it. At the same time, I will put some onion. Pick it up. And I will put some. For the patty, I do medium rare, so only one side, and then after I flipped it, and it's just really quick. I put it on the side. So look at that, it's a really caramelized. So it will keep the is juicy and also, you know, the caramelized on the skin. One second.
Was this caramelized onions? Anything special? Any?
So we use the A5 Wagyu Beef to cook caramelized onion.
Okay.
Yeah, so no, nothing going to waste at our shop.
Nice.
And this one. So now we'll put some cheese on top, Stevie.
Harold looks like he's ready to jump in and take a position, huh? You got
Yes,
your
sir.
towel there? Nice, nice.
Okay, put it on the side. So I put some Here you go.
Let me see that spatula.
Last one, yes, yeah, this one's ready. Here you go.
Oh, Hero.
Yes, sir, ready for you.
Looks so good, Hero.
Yes, sure.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Ready to go. Here you go.
Oh,
Here you go.
look at that. Oh my goodness.
Here you go. Burger. Burger sound.
That looks like the best burger in the world, Hero. You know that? The best.
Wagyu.
Wagyu, half and half, all Wagyu.
Wagyu smash burger. Here you go. Ta-da!
Okay, Chef, tell us about this French fry.
Oh yeah. Ooh, here you go.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Hey, 呢個都
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Like this. You can put this. So this is pansu meal. This size is a pansu meal. So we use cooking meal and pansu soy, and there will be that's pretty much the basic ingredient.
So just put it
Yeah, just roll it up.
Mmm.
Hey.
More sauce, more
Little more.
better, yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Hey, so here is powder. So it's plum and the cecil powder. I believe you know that. Yes, cecil powder. Hey, cecil powder. There you go.
Hey. Okay, let's go. Alright. Shiso powder.
Incredible. Very interesting, huh? Combination.
Hey, I have Wagyu French fry. So
How's a Wagyu? How's an A5 Wagyu French fry?
So it tastes extra flavor on the beefy flavor on the French fry,
Okay.
and it's really good with the with the pansu mayo and cecil powder is punch up the sour kind of punch up all the flavor
Nice.
of the wagyu. Yep.
Looks absolutely delicious.
Let's go. So let me bring you guys to the Niku stick.
Okay.
It's in the kitchen. Come on through, guests in the kitchen. Jeff, we're going to bother your dining room for a minute.
Go ahead, please, please, please.
We know this gentleman already. Good to see you again. We're at Niku Steakhouse. They just got the first Michelin star. Congratulations to the whole crew here. Incredible. This is the man responsible for the Michelin star at Niku Steakhouse, purveyor of the finest meats of the whole world.
Oh, I'm not responsible. It's Chef Dustin. He's back there.
Yeah, Chef Dustin's back there as
You also
well.
got to remember who's responsible. It's the dishwasher and it's the guests.
Yeah.
Everybody in between is just a bonus. So thank you guys very much.
Thank you so much. Love that philosophy.
Love you, man.
Oh, yeah,
Thank
absolutely.
You. We're gonna eat this.
Let's
What
eat
we're
it.
gonna do-
All right, here's on.
I think it'll
Enjoy.
probably Make a mess here. Cheers. Cheers. Boom.
best burger in the world.
Good, good, good.
Look at that. Look at that. Hiro-san. I don't think there's been a better burger that I've filmed you eating. Look at that. The cheese all melted. The beef perfectly done. Wagyu, of course.
Beautiful.
Take a look. Can you guys taste that? Oh my goodness. This is definitely one stop you have to come by when you're in the San Francisco area. Besides the whole group, they have Omakase, they have Niku Steakhouse, the butcher shop right here. You can come by and see Guy.
I'll be here. Promise you.
Oh yeah. Unbelievable. And these fries. You saw how they were made earlier. Hiro-san, you know, I don't even want to eat my burger yet. I just want to kind of look at it, enjoy the sight. Looks so good, huh?
For you?
Wagyu burger from the butcher shop. Hiro reaching back into his. There you go. Oh, yeah. Swing it around. It's gonna make some noise.
Here, watch this. Listen. Here, put this. That's how we cut the wagyu.
2, 1, let's go. Begin. Come on, Hiro, go at him. Come on, Hiro, go, go. Oh! Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on, Hiro. Oh no!
At least you told me my lights off. Oh, it failed me. That's right.
Next time use Duracell.
Gotta have fun.
I need to get this one.
Okay.
I need to get this one.